someone I'd like to have sing for you today. Can you say hello to the folks?
Hello to the folks.
Now, why don't you tell them your name? What? Go ahead and tell them your name.
I forget it.
You forgot your name?
Yep, I forgot my name. Could you tell him my name for me?
Surely.
Shirley, that's right. That's my name. My name is Shirley.
No, your name is not Shirley. Your name is Pete. Now go ahead and sing that Christmas song that you learned.
What song?
You know, Jingle Bells.
Oh, yeah, that song.
Do you remember it?
Well, I remember all of it except for one part.
What part is that?
The words.
Well, I'll help you with them. Go ahead and announce the song to the audience.
Okay. I will now sing a very popular Christmas song. One that everybody knows called, what's it called again?
Jingle Bells.
Oh, yeah. Jingle Bells. Okay, I'm ready. Hit it, maestro. Me, me, me. Me, 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 me. There you go, perfect. Jingle bells. What's next?
Jingle Bells.
I just sang that.
Again, you sing it 2 times.
You're kidding. Must have been a 2-for-1 special.
Now, go ahead from the beginning.
Okay, here we go. Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Jingle all the way.
Jingle all the way through the whole song?
No, there are other words. Now, start over, please.
Okay, here we go, from the top, and I ain't gonna stop.
I'm not gonna stop.
Good, 'cause I ain't gonna stop neither. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, what fun.
Well, I'm glad you're enjoying yourself.
No, Pete, that's the next line in the song.
Oh, that's right. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a...
Well, what's fun to ride in?
A roller coaster.
Yes, well, but the song says a one-horse open sleigh.
A one-horse open sleigh? Why only one horse? Can't he have a friend with him?
I didn't write the song, Pete. Just sing it with one horse, okay?
This is a very sad song. I bet the one horse is very lonely. It probably wishes he didn't have to work on Christmas. I bet the little horsey wishes he was with his family so he could open presents and...
Pete, could you just finish the song, please?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, great. You're doing real good now, Pete. Now go ahead from the top. Ready?
Okay. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey.
What?
Hey.
What?
Hey is the next in the song.
There's hay in the song? Oh, good. At least our little horsey will have something to eat for Christmas.
Well, you know...
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. And now the big finish. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse...
Yes?
Oh,
yes.
Roller coaster.
What? Oh, Pete. Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas.
It's a party, it's finally the Christmas season. It's a party, it's gonna be great. It's a party Jesus is the reason. It's a party, let's celebrate. It's a party, it's finally the Christmas season. It's a party, it's gonna be great. It's a party and Jesus is the reason. It's a party, let's celebrate. We're gonna gather around like a family, sing a few songs, maybe 2 or 3. Get into our groups and have more fun. Celebrate Christmas now, everyone. It's a party, it's finally the Christmas season. It's a party, it's gonna be great. It's a party and Jesus is the reason. It's a party, let's celebrate. It's a party, it's finally the Christmas season. It's a party, gonna be great. It's a party and Jesus is the reason. It's a party, let's celebrate.